A court-ordered drug treatment facility is one step closer now to becoming a reality, but neighbors are fighting it.
All week, we've told you about Park Center's plans to create a drug treatment center on Rupp Drive, just east of Coliseum. Tonight, officials and residents nearby pleaded their case at the Board of Zoning Appeals. News Channel 15's Kelly Roberts was there and has both sides. Kelly?
Brett and Heather, this Park Center facility is not a done deal, but it's one step closer to getting rezoned so it can happen. However, neighbors opposed to this plan will follow it along the way. Dozens of people showed up to speak against the plan to put a court-ordered drug treatment facility in a longtime vacant Verizon building. Their main concern, safety. Park Center officials say the plan is to have the treatment facility as an alternative to jail. Police also spoke at the meeting and said judges are inundated with cases because of the opiate epidemic, and they need other options rather than jail to get some people on the right path. The facility would not be a lockup, which made neighbors question if patients coming and going would put safety in jeopardy. The plan is to have 2 security guards there around the clock and possibly a police outpost nearby, which for neighbors who support the plan is good enough.
And again, as I listened to the representatives from Park Center tonight, I was reassured personally that they have the security concerns addressed.
This facility that we just uncovered tonight actually will house felons and as well as drug abusing felons. And that's the question of safety that has to be answered.
Only 2 members of the public spoke in favor of the plan. The land needs to be rezoned to C1, which would allow a drug treatment facility. The Planning Commission will consider that later this month. Tonight, the Board of Zoning Appeals approved a special exception to allow the space not only to be used for a drug treatment center, but a court-ordered drug treatment center. Again, the next step is for it to be rezoned, but then it would still have to go through City Council for final approval. In Studio 15, Kelly Roberts, News Channel 15.